how to have a productive cough. So this is one of these things, most of the time we're just coughing like, and it's up here. But when you have pneumonia or major bronchial congestion, you need to cough from the lower region. You have to do like a diaphragmatic cough. What you want to do is you're going to sit normally and you're going to lean forward a little bit and you're going to put your elbows on your lungs. So you just kind of put them to your side and you're going to go, okay. So that's different than my like, it's a very different process. This was up here, that cough, that first cough I had. This second cough is very productive and deeper in its capacity to push stuff up. What you do is you press your arms into your lungs, you lean forward, and then you can take 4 to 5 breaths. And then you want to do 2 to 3 coughs. Okay. But that gets a lot of deeper related lung expectorating. Okay. So any of you out there, you want to try this. This is so powerful. So that is what we call a productive cough. Now you could have a tissue, especially for sure. You want to have a tissue. I didn't describe that fast, but if you have bronchitis, congestion, you've got pneumonia kicking, have several tissues, bunch them up, because what you're going to do, you're going to get that junk out. And there are different colors of phlegm. Like here, upper nose is usually yellow, sometimes green. That's the pussy infection. Bronchial will be green, sometimes a little reddish brown, depending on the nature of how deep that infection is. And then lung is going to be brownish, grayish, reddish, kind of depends. And there can be even some blood that people are coughing up. That's just some of the inflammation of that lining. Sometimes the way, particularly this virus, it affects the lining. And so we can get that kind of tearing of the lining. That's why you want to have a really good productive cough. The lower your cough comes from, because we know in this particular state, and as with pneumonia, most pneumonias are going to be located in the upper, middle, or lower region. This virus, this viral pneumonia, this viral infection people are dealing with, it's all over. Like when you look at the 3D CT scan, you can see it's all over. When you tuck your elbows in, you're actually supporting the ribs. It's like a brace. Okay, so that gives you the support and then allows you to have a cough that's upward. And if you do that, you'll actually feel this like kind of tightness and this kind of release up in this space. This is the bronchial space. And then a lot of times you'll actually get more kicking. And then have your warm water, drink a few cups of that, and you can repeat. And what that does is it helps productive cough. So it produces the coughs, but it makes it more productive. What you want is to get that pussy infection out of your lungs.